Hello everyone, it's Misha at Just Some Ideas. So I have been in Target between today and yesterday and I have found some amazing deals. So I'm shooting this on my iPad because I want to hurry up and upload it. It's quicker on the iPad. So I want you guys to go out there and get these same deals. It will take forever to upload it on my camera. Alright, so this is what I found. I found these bath sets. They were 70% off. And then I found these Crest Oral-B toothbrushes. They were also 70% off. And then I found all these Oreo cookies. They were $1.49, I believe. And then I had coupons. So they were all $1 a piece for the Oreo cookies. All right, so I'm going to give you a close-up of the bath sets. This one is a three-piece Minion bath set. And it has the body wash, the conditioner, bubble bath, and the foam. And then I have a Ninja Turtle one with the same thing. And then I have one with the princesses. And then I want to show you the toothbrushes. I have the Frozen, and it comes with the toothpaste inside of it also. And then I have one with all the Disney princesses right there. And it comes with the electric toothbrushes and the toothpaste. And then I have one with Star Wars. Same thing. I'm sorry about the lighting because I'm on my dining room table. And it's a glass table, so it picks up a lot of reflection. So I put this tablecloth down. But anyway, just wanted to show you this. And then here's the Oreo cookies. It's the chocolate with the red cream. I have 3 packs of those. And then I have 1 pack of the gingerbread Oreo cookies. All right, so let me show you what else I picked up. Also, I forgot to mention, if I forgot to tell you the price, on the bath sets, they're $2.99. The original price is $9.99. And then the electric toothbrushes with the toothpaste were down to $1.79. And like I said, the Oreo cookies were $1.49. Then with my coupons, I paid $1 a piece. All right, so these are the last of my 70% items. Starbucks had their cups for 70% off. So I took advantage of that. I bought 6 of them. They ranged in price from $3.88, and I think the most expensive one was probably like $5 or $6 bucks, no more. So I'll give you a close-up of the mugs so you can see what they look like. Hopefully the reflection isn't too, I'm going to try to darken it, but that's that one. And then I have a gold one. And then I have this yellow with the black polka dots. And then I have these travel mugs also here. They're red, black, and silver. I bought 2 of those. And then I have this ceramic one. So that's it for all the 70% off items that I found today. So I'm going to show you the goodies that I picked up at 90% off. And I'm sorry if I'm rushing. I just want to get through this video real quick. I don't want this to be a 20-minute video. So this is some of the 90% items that I picked up. So I picked up 2 tablecloths, 3 packs of plates, and 4 mugs. And then I picked up these dipping bowls right here, the red ones. I actually picked up 12 of them. So I only put 2 on here, but I have 12 total. And then I picked up a pair of skis from the One Spot area. They were with the Christmas. And then I picked up this cute girl nutcracker. So I'll see if I can remember the prices. If not, then, you know, we'll go from there. All right, so this tablecloth right here was $1.89. It's from the Threshold brand. And then this other one was $1.69. And then these plates, if I recall, they were 22 cents a piece. And then this one was about 18 cents or so. And then all the mugs you see in the background, they were between 49 cents and 59 cents, no more than 59 cents. And then the little dipping serving bowls, hopefully you can see them. They're very cute. Let me see if I can get a good shot of them for you right there. They were 39 cents a piece. And like I said, I have 12 of those. So I paid like $4 and some change for 12 of them, which the original price of these are $4 for one. So that was an amazing steal. And then this nutcracker here, she was 10 bucks. So I got her for $1. And then the skis were 30 cents. And I know these were normally $3 at the One Spot during Christmas time. So I'll give you a quick overview. Ooh, that's so bright. Let me darken that back up. That tablecloth, because it's like a white and a gold, so it reflects a lot of light. So I'm sorry if I'm blinding you. All right, let me show you the other items I picked up. Okay, so here are the other items that I picked up at 90%. So I picked up these serving platters. I actually found 7 of these, and they were $1.49 a piece. They're white, and then they have the gold brim detailing on them. And then I picked up the little smaller plate, the salad plate, and these were 39 cents a piece. It's the same way. It's white with the gold trim around it. So I picked up 8 of those at 39 cents a piece. And then I found this pretty yellow tree. It was 90%. Everything here was 90%. This tree was $1.69. This taller tree here, I think, was the same price. And then I actually found another one of the Mercury ones. And that one was $1.69. And then I picked up these cute little potted plants. And what I'll probably do is use them around my house, but take out the berries and just use them for greenery, minus the berries. And these were $1.69 each. And then I found 3 of the sugar paper gift boxes. So I'm actually going to use these in my office for storage. So I love these. These are gorgeous. They're white. I don't know if you can really see it because the white is reflecting off my light, but it's white and it has the gold trimming also. So let me stand back so you can get an overview of everything. Sorry if I'm blinding you. These white plates along with this light is not a good combination. The greenery and all right, so I have a few more items to show you. Okay, so I found 5 decorative pillows. Actually, 4 are decorative pillows. 1 is a seat cushion. So they were all 90% off. All right, so this one is a white seat cushion and it has like a glittery effect and it was 99 cents. Then this one is a large snowflake pillow. I found 2 of those. There's one right behind it. I have 2 of these and these were $1.99 a piece. And then I found this gorgeous pillow right here. This was $2.49 and I believe the original price was $24.99. And then I found this one with all the arrows in it, and that one was $1.99. Now, I will give you guys a tip. Make sure if you're going to look for these deals, do not go to the Christmas section. I found all these home decor items in the home section. I did not find any of this stuff in the Christmas section. So you need to go through every aisle and look. That's the only way you'll find these deals because they're getting put back with the regular price merchandise. So that's why I'm able to score all these deals. So that's just a tip from me. Make sure you check every aisle and anything that looks Christmas related, I would scan it. Make sure you scan it even if you assume that it's not on clearance. Always use that scanner. The scanner is your best friend. And my last 90% deal I found was this fur footstool ottoman. Yes, you heard me. This was 90% off. Okay, so I'm walking in Target and I see it. It doesn't have a price. And I say, you know what? I don't feel like messing with it. So I leave and I grab my other stuff that I found. And then as I check out, something kept calling me and said, you better get that footstool. So what I did is I looked on my phone on Target.com and I found the same exact footstool and I had them check the price. And when they told me it was $6.49, I was like, I am getting this footstool. So I brought it home with me and I just wanted to show you. I believe it's by the brand Threshold and it is gorgeous. This is going in my cloffice. And it is the brown fur. I'm sorry about the lighting, but this thing does not take does very well with this lighting overhead, and it has the gold leg detailing. So hopefully you can see it. It's kind of fuzzy. I've tried to get it focused better, but this is the best that I can get it. But yes, this thing is absolutely gorgeous and it's huge. So if you see these, pick them up because they are 90% off. This was one of the best deals of the day that I got today. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I post these kind of things on Instagram all the time. Just follow the link on my About page where you can find the link to my homepage, and you'll see the link to my Instagram page. All right, everyone, if you have not subscribed, make sure you do so you won't miss out on these fantastic deals. All right, everyone, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.